Today, lithium-ion batteries are limited in how quickly they can be charged. The main reason manufacturers put these limits in place is because of battery health. The faster a battery is charged, the faster it degrades. A battery is an electrochemical device in which lithium ions travel from the cathode to the anode through various materials, and vice versa. Fast charging a battery using conventional methods, such as CCCV, causes damage through various degradation mechanisms, including SEI layer growth, metal plating, and electrolyte decomposition. At GBatteries, we're not developing new materials or changing the battery chemistry. We've developed an innovative way to charge batteries using our adaptive pulse charge algorithm through real-time monitoring that dynamically changes each pulse. Through this adaptive approach, we're able to dramatically reduce irreversible chemical reactions that cause degradation. The technology is composed of two parts: software and hardware. The software protocol is self-learning and fully adaptive. It analyzes what's happening inside the battery and changes each pulse size, shape, and periodicity so that each pulse is unique. The novel hardware precisely generates the specific waveforms required and pushes them into the battery. We're revolutionizing the way batteries are charged. GBatteries has the only demonstrated technology capable of ultra-fast charging without compromising battery cycle life.